Swarm drone technology is a new type of military tech where drones work together without needing a person to control them. They act like groups of birds or bugs, staying apart just enough, moving as one group, and heading to the same place. This tech got famous when Israel's army used a bunch of drones at once to hit different targets in their fight with Hamas in May 2021. Swarm drones are smart because they make decisions on their own, which lets them do tricky moves together. They can spread out to cover more ground or focus on certain spots, which is really useful in battles. For example, they can hit a target from many sides at once, making it more likely they'll succeed. Drone swarms can have all kinds of drones in them, like ones for spying, fighting, tricking the enemy, or talking to each other. India is also developing the ALFA-S, which stands for Air-Launched Flexible Asset Swarm Drone, as part of the broader Combat Air Teaming System (CATS), which is a sophisticated network of manned and unmanned aerial vehicles. This initiative is spearheaded by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited in collaboration with several other Indian defense and technology firms. The ALFA-S drones, functioning as part of the CATS, are intended to carry out high-altitude surveillance and precision strikes autonomously, minimizing human error and risk. HAL plans to integrate these advanced platforms with AI to act as atmospheric satellites for a range of military operations, with the goal to complete development work by 2024 or 2025. The development of the ALFA-S is a product of a collaborative effort, primarily involving HAL and New Space Research and Technologies, based in Bangalore. HAL is leading the project, liaising closely with other pivotal entities like the National Aerospace Laboratories, the Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics of DRDO, alongside New Space Research and Technologies. The ALFA-S Swarm UAV system was first presented as part of the Jaguar MAX upgrade package in 2019. A Jaguar strike aircraft could carry 4 pods, each housing several ALFA-S drones. This initiative underlines India's continued efforts to advance its drone technology to keep pace with global military advancements. The size of these drones ranges between 3 to 6 feet across, showcasing a substantial but manageable size for various operational demands. Being battery-operated, they ensure a reliable power supply while maintaining a lightweight profile for better maneuverability. The ALFA-S drones can be deployed from a mothership, covering distances around 100 kilometers, which is approximately 62 miles, before operating autonomously with their own propulsion systems. They are part of a system that can be deployed from air platforms like fighter jets and helicopters, capable of reaching speeds between 120 to 150 kilometers and maintaining an operational speed of 70 to 80 kilometers per hour. The ALFA-S drones are made to be sent out from a mothership, like the C-130 transport plane. They stay in special containers that are hooked to the plane. When they're let go, they glide to where they're supposed to go before the drones come out. Each container can hold a lot of drones, so a whole bunch of them can be sent out at once. When many drones are launched together, they can confuse and overpower enemy defenses by attacking all at once. Being able to send out so many from just one plane makes the ALFA-S drones a really strong tool in battles today. The ALFA-S drones have a special feature, which are 2 wings that can fold. This makes them small enough to fit inside containers that can be attached to the IAF planes. ALFA-S drones can also do kamikaze missions, which means they can find a target and blow themselves up to attack it. They can work from a main ship, doing things like scouting or hitting targets with the weapons they carry. These drones can go as far as 700 kilometers to do their kamikaze missions and can hold other ALFA-S drones that can be sent out for these kinds of attacks. The drones use AI and learning from experience to find and hit targets on their own. Compared to other countries' drone swarms, the ALFA-S shows that India is really starting to invest in this area. Big countries like the US, China, Russia, and the UK are already doing well with swarm drones. For example, the US showed off with 103 Perdix quadcopter drones. China wowed everyone with a show of 1,218 drones at the Pyeongchang Winter Olympics. India might have joined this race later, but with the ALFA-S project by HAL and New Space Research and Technologies, it's making good progress. India expects to have its first ALFA-S drone swarm ready to go in about 2 years, which is a big step forward for its defense technology. The ALFA-S project puts India in line with top countries like the US, China, Russia, and the UK, which are all getting ahead in drone swarm tech. As India puts more money and new ideas into this, the ALFA-S drone swarms could really boost its power in air battles. This also helps India become an up-and-coming name in the world of defense technology, as it gets ready for the changing ways of fighting wars today. Thank you for joining us in exploring these modern Sky Guardians. If you found this video insightful, do hit the like button, share, and subscribe for more military tech insights. Your support fuels our content. Until the next video, stay curious and keep exploring.